Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to more NFT education, where we take NFT projects and we try to learn more about NFTs by using real projects and hey, seeing if it's something that we would ultimately invest in or if it's something we can learn. But anyway, I have a project today called GORECATS that came across my radar. And first, I want to let y'all know about this project, bro. This is one of those projects that can go. And let me tell you why. I always tell y'all, a lot of the times you have to pay attention to the team, right? Let me tell y'all who's making this NFT. GORECATS is 1,111 handcrafted NFTs from the Emmy Award winning duo at Studio NX. Right, so let's look up Studio NX. Who is Studio? So this is an actual, these people are for real, right? So that number one lets me know that this NFT is number one, well thought out, and it's backed by some, by some pretty serious stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and keep the education going. All right, now it's backed up by a team of veteran developers, tokenomists, puzzle designers, and crypto enthusiasts. This daring new project brings our unique brand of storytelling to Solana, from NFT's animated series with a zombie staking game and thrilling murder mystery revealing hidden rewards. Take part of the story here, all right? So what that tells me is that number one, it's releasing on Solana. I'd say low quality projects on Solana. So when you get one like this that's not low quality, you have to appreciate it and you have to kind of look at it from that angle. Also, it lets me know this is gonna be an animated series and a zombie staking game, right? We know that these people have experience in animated series. They work with Nickelodeon, all the big networks, and we know that they have legit developers to develop the type of game that they're talking about, all right? So a sadistic breed of bloodthirsty critters wreak havoc across the city of Cattsburg. A washed-up detective and his gung-ho rookie are the only ones standing in the way of full-on invasion, all right? Unravel the mystery. Join our community on Discord and Twitter, okay? And we'll check that out later. So what are GORECATS? GORECATS are an eclectic breed of treacherous little troublemakers hell-bent on using up every single one of their glorious 9 lives, all right? And honestly, bro, this artwork is hard, all right? So the mint price is 666 Solana. There's, once again, 1,111 of them, right? And, you can buy them on the Magic Eden Launchpad and you stake them here on this website. And there is more information on the website, all right? So here's sort of a visual, right? Looks like they're gonna have exclusive merch, a comic series. They're even gonna unlock more, right? Then it's gonna become a card game. It's gonna become toys. It's gonna become a motion comic. And then they're gonna drop more, it looks like. And then that's when it's gonna go into an animated series and a game, right? So this is one of those that you definitely need to be like tapped in for the long run on, all right? Now, I usually don't say, hey, I'm gonna try to get in on this, but hey, I'm for sure gonna try to get in on this one simply because it's gonna become a game and more information is gonna unfold on their Discord. But let's go ahead and do a quick Twitter check. All right, they got 1,400 on Twitter. Let me follow them because yes, no, I believe in this project. I like the artwork and I know for a fact that the people behind this project have experience in as far as what they're doing, all right? So go ahead and check out their Discord. So they got 193 members. You've got to verify, so that lets you know those are real members. So on their Discord, I'm just kind of looking to see, and they've developed all these games. They've developed a game before. They've done it all. So this is one of those when I tell you to pay attention to the team behind this project is legit. And for that reason, I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna advise that you try to get one of these because at 666 Solana, let's see, that's $61, bro, which is very, very affordable, all right? So we're gonna keep a close eye on this one, all right? Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. I love y'all. Let's get it.